Hello everyone, you are watching Daily English, Day 8, from TeacherTechTube. This is Sam, your personalized English speaking coach. Today I am gonna teach you 22 ways to say thank you. 1. Thanks. 2. Thanks a lot. 3. Thank you. 4. Thank you very much. 5. Many thanks. 6. Thanks a million. 7. Great. 8. Cheers. 9. That is really nice of you. 10. I really can't thank you enough. 11. That is the most good of you. 12. Thank you very much, indeed. 13. Much appreciated. 14. I am very much obliged. 15. I am much obliged. 16. I am immensely grateful to you. 17. I should like to say how deeply grateful I am. 18. I should like to express my gratitude. 19. I should like to express my appreciation. 20. I would appreciate it. 21. I'm very grateful to you. 22. That is very kind of you. Thanks a ton for watching it. Please subscribe to TeacherTechTube and